Shillong College laj umkra ne ke sngi ke lapelong ya ke graduation ceremony ahaja apusan jongka da ka jing penkup burom bat ka jing lekmen. Agane ke program lawan banishim benta da UMP ke Shillong u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon. Hadian ka jing sam ki khusnam beper jong ki jing pulie u Dr. Singkon ula ai khuble ki kena pulie graduate halo ka jing job ka jong ki bat ula penslur ya ki banyai long ki bas kem jing mud ki bawat banya bat ki ba bu thong ban ai jing shakri. Principal jong ka Shillong College Dr. S. Kongwere ulapun ko burom ya kinong hikai ki beladon palat apusan snem ka jing ai jing shakri ka jong ki Shaka College.
Dear graduates, today as you step into a larger role as a citizen who will shape the future of our society and our nation, let me remind you and all of us that India, this great nation, is one of the youngest countries in the world today. When I say young, it means that in this great nation, nearly 65% of our people are under the age of 25. Our youth are not just the hope of the tomorrow, they are the strength of today and the future of this great nation.
Ka Office Deputy Commissioner West KHASI Hills hakajing snok tilang bat ka swat